This is the Mnemonic. Let's learn together. This video is meant to talk about the components of proteins. You know what I'm talking about. The amino acids. On the basis of whether they form proteins or not, they're classified into two categories. First, the standard amino acids and non-standard amino acids, or AA. AA for amino acids. Standard amino acids, they are called proteinogenic for obvious reasons. And non-standard amino acids? Well, you know why we call them that. These standard amino acids or proteinogenic amino acid are further classified as amino acids with polar side chain and non-polar side chain. What is this side chain? In order to understand this, let's draw a Fischer projection structure of an alpha amino acid. It contains a central carbon atom, which is, by the way, chiral mostly. It has an amino group, an carboxyl group, and hydrogen, and obviously a side chain, an alkyl side chain. The details of the structure, we will talk about that in later videos. The main thing is the side chain. As I said, it has nonpolar and polar side chains. Let's talk about the amino acids with nonpolar side chains. Now pay attention. I'm going to tell you a mnemonic to remember these amino acids. First, the nonpolar side chain containing amino acids. And the mnemonic for this goes like Gav met Lip on a trip to Philadelphia. Or you can say Gav met Lip on a trip. Next, the amino acids that contains polar side chain. They are classified as charged polar side chains or uncharged polar side chains. Get ready for the next mnemonic. For uncharged polar side chain containing amino acids, this goes like Saint of ASN City, Glenn Tyler. And similarly, for charged polar side chain containing amino acids, which may be positively charged or negatively charged, the mnemonic goes like Hal mates. Now let's list these amino acids one by one. First, the nonpolar side chain containing amino acids. The mnemonic was Gav met Lip on a trip to Philadelphia. G for glycine, A for alanine, V for valine, met for methionine, LIP, L for leucine, I for isoleucine, and P for proline. On a is added as a filler. Trip for tryptophan to Philadelphia. 2 is a filler and Philadelphia is for phenylalanine. Gav met Lip on a trip. Let's get to the second mnemonic for uncharged polar side chain containing amino acids. Saint, S-T, S for serine, T for threonine, off is a filler, ASN for asparagine, City for cysteine, Glenn for glutamine, and Tyler, where I dropped L for tyrosine. The saint of ASN City, Glenn Tyler. And finally, the last mnemonic, Hal mates. This is a mnemonic for charged polar side chain containing amino acids. Positively charged amino acids, the mnemonic for that is HAL. H for histidine, A for arginine, L for lysine. And last, the negatively charged polar side chain containing amino acids. These are the mates. First, the aspartate or aspartic acid, and second, the glutamate or glutamic acid. That is all about the amino acids. The components of proteins.